Hello and welcome to Crypto and Cashback. In this tutorial video I will explain how you can redeem items for your reward points that you earned using the Bybitcard. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. All videos at my channel only explain the journey I am making and for educational purposes only. Welcome to another video about the Bybitcard. In this video I will explain how you can redeem items for rewards points that you earned using your Bybitcard. Each time you use your Bybitcard and pay with crypto you earn reward points. The number of points that you earn depends on the cashback percentage. Standard, the cashback percentage is 0.2%, but this percentage depends on your VIP tier and can go up to 10%. Each month Bybit has a promotion category. For that category you earn 5% cashback. Last month this was for fuel. This month it is for home renovation products and services. On Valentine's Day you could earn 14% cashback at restaurants. When you get the standard 0.2% cashback you'll earn 1 point for each euro or Australian dollar. When you get 5% cashback you earn 25 points for each euro or Australian dollar that you spent. But remember, you only earn reward points when you pay with crypto. This can be USDT, USDC, Ethereum, XRP or Bitcoin. Recently also Mantle, TON and BNB are added to the list of crypto you can pay with. If you don't have a Bybitcard yet and you want to apply for one, you first have to create a Bybit account. You can create an account for 100% free. If you use my link in the description of this video or the pinned comment you can earn a welcome bonus from 10 USDT to 30,000 USDT. After creating a Bybit account you can apply for the Bybitcard using the other link in the description of this video or the pinned comment. I will now log in to the Bybit website and show and explain how you can use your earned reward points. After logging into your account you click on Finance and then Card. You go to your Bybitcard page and you can directly see how much reward points you have earned. I click on the button View Rewards to go to the rewards market. At this page you can see all the options you can use your reward points for. In the VIP only section you can see some items but you really need a lot of points for that. I go back to the first page. The first options are all merchants for which you can redeem your reward points for a voucher. When I click on Spotify Netherlands you can see that I need 6,000 points for that. When you redeem your points you get a voucher which you can use to get Spotify Premium. But you have to be sure that there is a voucher available for your country. For Spotify there are vouchers available for the UK, Italy, France and the Netherlands. There are a lot more companies you can get a voucher from like PlayStation, Nike, Google Play and Amazon. Next to the different vouchers it's also possible to redeem your points for crypto like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC or USDT. At the next page there are also options to redeem your points for USDT or USDC bonuses or coupons. You have to redeem less points for bonus or a coupon. But of course there is a difference. When you redeem 5,000 points for 10 USDT you will receive that 10 USDT and you can do everything you want with this, also withdrawing it. When you redeem 4,800 points for 10 USDT bonus you will receive a reward in the Rewards Hub. This reward has an expiration date and you can only use this bonus for trading on Bybit. When you redeem 4,700 points for 10 USDT coupon you also will receive a reward in the Rewards Hub. You can only use this coupon to pay your trading fees. This reward has an expiration date also. In this example I will redeem 5,000 points for 10 USDT. At the next page you can see the reward type is an airdrop and I will click at the button Pay. I will get a pop-up where I confirm to redeem and if everything works fine I get a confirmation. Once paid you go automatically to the Rewards Hub. Here you can claim your reward. After clicking the button, Claim, your 10 USDT is added to your funding account. We are back at the reward market. You can get an overview of your redemptions by clicking Orders. You can also see the details of the order. Here you can see the details like the amount, reward type and date. When you go to the option records at the reward market page, you get an overview of all the points you earned with the different payments. Also on this page you can see all the details. This brings us to the end of the Bybitcard video. If you like this video then please hit the like button, and if don't want to miss any cashback videos then you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions then add this to the comments of this video.